Hello once again, everybody. 11:04, 6 seconds, March 15th. This is now the main drawing for the Hulk Annual. Over here on the left are the 33 filled spots. Alright, gonna roll the 3 dice, find this book a new home. Number 16, gonna randomize 16 times, name at the top of the list. At the end of the 16th roll will win the book. I will try my best, if I pass by the post office later, to drop this off in today's mail. Possibility I could drop it off tomorrow if I'm swinging by. Usually I don't do mail on the weekends because I'm running around with the kids. Worst case, it will ship out to the winner on Monday. Alright, so best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and here comes the final one. 16, spot 18, Barney Stars. Congratulations. Time is 11:05 and 14.